Okay, so we're browning butter because in 2024 we're using brown butter in all our baked goods because it take it up 12 notches. Browning butter is a super easy process. All you need to do is put your sticks of butter in a nice size saucepan. I'm doing 3 sticks of butter, so I got a bigger saucepan. I'm gonna just let this come up to a boil, melt the butter down, and I'm gonna move it around using the handle of the pot, but nothing else. In total, this process took me about 6 minutes from start to finish. Now you're gonna see the process, and I sped it up, but you're gonna see the process of the milk solids separating. You do lose butter, so if your recipe is calling for a certain amount of butter, you need to make sure you replace it with water or add a little bit more butter into it after you've browned the butter, so you can get the correct measurements for whatever recipe you're using. This is the point where it gets really frothy, and right before you shake it, it's going to kind of look like soap suds. This is where the browning process begins. You just swirl it around like you see me doing. You don't have to use any utensils, it's up to you. But you just swirl it around until it's complete. Don't burn the butter, just brown it. And then take it off the eye. Like I said, from start to finish, it took about 6 minutes. And then you're done. You can let it cool completely. You can put it back in the refrigerator for it to get back solid, depending on whatever recipe you're using. I normally use this brown butter when I'm making brown butter chocolate chip pecan cookies or a brown butter pound cake. Right now I'm just stirring it around, but I'm gonna get ready to transfer it into a bowl so it can cool for my double brown pound cake that I'm cooking today. Hey, let me know if you like today's video by giving me a big thumbs up and subscribing to the channel if you are not. Also share this video to somebody who needs to know how to make brown butter for their recipes. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see y'all in my next video.